Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the iPhone is unlocked and on the home screen with the apps visible. Once ready, tap and hold one app icon until everything jiggles. This is the edit state where you can move icons. Now press and drag that app slightly. Make sure to maintain contact without switching to quick actions. If you want multiple apps, drag a second app on top of the first and hold them together. This creates the folder immediately. Once the folder appears, tap it to open and release your app inside. This adds the app to the new folder. You can drag additional apps into the open folder, arranging their order by holding and repositioning. Make sure to rename the folder by tapping the name field at the top. Use a short, descriptive label so you find it quickly. If the folder fills, drag apps to the edge to move them to a new folder page, and adjust until the layout fits your workflow. To complete the process, exit jiggle mode by tapping Done in the corner or using your home gesture. The folder now holds the chosen apps. Once done, reorganize folders by dragging them around the home screen or into the dock if you want constant access. If you can't move apps, make sure screen time or device management isn't restricting changes. Restart the iPhone if behavior persists. Finally, check Settings home screen for app download.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.